Oh, don't you do that to me.
Okay, now we're videoing. So what Drew just ate was half of a fatali jigsaw pepper,
Mm-hmm.
and it was my fault that you didn't catch him eating the first part. I was just a few seconds ago because I thought I had the video camera on. It wasn't on. So he said it wasn't bad. I think if you ask him now, he may be feeling something a little bit
Yeah, under my tongue.
under your tongue. How was the flavor on that pepper?
Real fruity. It wasn't like a peppers that I've had recently. Like, that how it has that kind of like a bitter kind of taste to it. That was pretty much all fruity flavor.
All fruity flavor.
Kind of like an apple, kind of.
Sounds delicious.
It was pretty good, actually. And what did they say that was hotter than? It was supposed to be hotter than?
The bootlaw scorpions we had.
I had a ghost pepper that was said to. And isn't the scorpions are worse than ghost peppers, right?
So, correct, if they're grown right, yes.
That ghost pepper was hotter than this. I mean, that was only
Okay,
like.
well eat that other half and then see if the heat rises.
Right. Hmm.
Good flavor?
Mm-hmm. Real fruity. That one had no spice at all.
Not yet.
Not yet. Alright, never mind. Hit the back of my throat.
Did it?
Mm-hmm. Feels like I'm seconds away from throwing up. I think that milk's the only thing saving me right now that I drank earlier.
Yes, earlier before he did eat these, he had some sandwiches and he drank a couple of big glasses of milk to coat his stomach, just in case.
Yeah, just in case. Mm.
So how's the heat? Is it building?
I think it's already stopped.
Has it?
Mm-hmm. I think it's just kind of staying there now. Just making itself at home in the back of my throat. I'm gonna go get a paper towel.
So in your opinion, you've had half of a red bootlaw,
Mm-hmm.
bootlaw ghost.
Yeah.
You've had a ghost out of our garden,
Mm-hmm.
and then now you've had half of a jigsaw. So in your opinion, what is the hottest pepper that you've had yet?
Probably the. Wait, so what all have I had again? I had the garden grown ghost pepper.
Mm-hmm.
I had the.
Which was a green. It was still in the green. It was a green ghost. It was still premature. It hadn't matured yet, but it was a green ghost out of the garden.
I had the bootlaw ghost. I'd have to say the bootlaw ghost was the hottest that I've had.
Was it?
Yeah. And even then, it wasn't as hot as like I was expecting it to be. So it's like just kind of,
So how are you feeling right now?
pain kind of just moved to my stomach, really. Just stomach. I think I got a seed of that stuck in my teeth just then.
Looks like your face is getting a little rosy.
Yeah, I can feel it getting rosy. Red.
So are you sure it's not still building, or is it?
No, it's gone. It's just that heat's on my lips.
Yeah, so it's lighting you up.
Yeah. I mean, there's still a little pain in the back of my throat, but I think it's just kind of. Oh, I just felt that in my stomach. I was just talking just then, and I just felt something hit my stomach real hard just then. Like it finally just like that capsaicin oil finally just hit the middle of my stomach. That was straight center.
Here comes Mr. Jigsaw knocking at the door.
Hello, do you want to play a game? Just like, hello, stomach. You've eaten a lot of food. You want to eat some food? Like, it's just, you want to play a game? Have this for some food.
All right. Well, do you have anything left to say? Now that you've eaten half of a jigsaw?
Wasn't that bad.
Isn't that bad? Okay, well, before we go, would you like to eat the other half?
I don't know. Like, the question is, would it even hurt? Because I just ate those, and that second half of that half didn't do anything. I felt no pain from that.
So you think you're good? You don't think it could build anymore?
I mean, it could build more since it's already like calmed down. It could definitely reach to that peak again, but it wouldn't be like bad.
I got you. All right. Well,
Got pepper stuck in my teeth.
Drew and his Jigsaw signing off.
Yeah.